How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode, we're gonna do a little review on this Chicago electric power tool. This is a reciprocating saw with rotating handle. So I'm gonna show you just the little features that this one has. This is really cheap. So if you go to Harbor Freight, you can pick this one with the coupon, because I just yesterday I get a coupon and I went this morning and I picked this one for 20 bucks. So yes, it is cheap. I get this because probably I'm gonna use it like 2 or 3 times per year. I just need to cut some stuff, and that's why I picked the cheapest one that I can find, and I found this one. And this episode is not sponsored. Whatever you're gonna see in this episode, I pay for it with my own money. So first of all, like I said, I get the coupon in the mail. Went to Harbor Freight this morning, pick it up. And because I'm gonna use it for just a couple things, I'm gonna check it out, because to be honest, I don't use this type of tools very much, and this is gonna be the first time that I'm using one of these, because in the automotive industry, if you just fix and do DIYs and tune-ups and you work on cars that they already have the parts made, that you don't have to custom make anything, this is not something that you use all the time. That's why, like I said, I probably want to use it like a couple times per year. And if you haven't checked my episode where I use another Harbor Freight tool that is the equivalent to the Dremel, I'm gonna put that episode right here. And that's what I used to do when I cut the holes for my hood latches. I use that one. Come in really handy, and I've been using that quite a lot for a lot of projects, and that one is working fine. That's why I decided to go to Harbor Freight and pick this one up. So we're gonna do a little review, and we're gonna cut some stuff. If you can see right here, on this toolbox, I get this toolbox for free. So the owner before me installed these little box to put cans of brake fluid and paint and all that stuff. I don't need it. I need to get rid of this one, because I need to put this toolbox in the storage and it doesn't fit. So this one is on the way, and I'm just gonna cut 2 screws, because in order for me to get to those 2 screws, I had to go inside. I had to remove a lot of stuff just to get to those. So I'm just gonna cut that one. I put my screwdriver here so I can get more room to put the saw, and I'm gonna cut that one, the other one on the other side. And while we're doing this, I'm just gonna see how this tool works. And like I said, if I just purchased this, why not do a little review on it? First of all, I already installed the saw. Really easy to do. You just twist it, put the saw in, make sure it locks in place. And I already using my safety goggles. So on this one, if you press here on top, it has like a little lock symbol. You press it and you can move the whole tool one side. You can do cut sideways, and that's in the middle. If you go the other way, you can move it around and it locks in place. That's really cool. And another thing, in here has the trigger. You press it and you let it go, the machine is gonna cut and it's gonna stop. It has this little button in here. You press it and press the handle and it's locked in place, so you can just keep cutting. Once you stop cutting, press on it and it's gonna release the button, and then the machine will stop. So it's pretty big, you know. It has some weight to it. Let's see if this one get the job done. While I was at Harbor Freight, I picked up some blades. This is 9-inch blades, and this one they supposed to cut medium thickness metal. So I'm gonna try this one. This it was 10 bucks to something really cheap, just to cut a couple bolts. Probably after cutting those 2 bolts, I don't know if I'm gonna keep using this one, but it's gonna be handy to have one of these just in case that I need to do something. So without wasting more time, guys, let's connect this thing. Let's see if we can cut those 2 screws. I don't think it's gonna be any problem cutting it. So if you're using headphones, be careful, because this thing is gonna get kind of loud. If you can see, guys, it cuts no problem. So yeah, there you have it. Now I'm gonna cut on the other side. I don't think I need to show you that, but let me go ahead and finish the job, and then we can go back to the tool. If you can see, guys, I had to remove one of my drawers just because it has these two massive bolts. But it's easy to remove the drawers, but you know, I get excused to buy this power tool, and if you can see, those two are the ones that I removed. So I'm just putting away my toolbox because of space. I'm getting more tools all the time, and I'm getting a lot of car parts. You guys know how this is when you try to do. You guys know how it is when you start buying parts, collecting parts, and having a lot of tools. Then you have to put some of your toolboxes away. So that's what's gonna happen with this one. I'm gonna put it away because it's taking a lot of space, and it was actually 4 bolts, not 2 that I cut. You can see right there. Really easy to cut with this tool. It works really good. I'm impressed. I didn't know that you can get this one for $20. Let's put another one. Having power tools, it came handy sometimes. So headphone users, be careful. So a lot of noise. If you can see, this one was more heavy duty. That one, it cuts really easy. So what do you guys think about this reciprocating tool? Chicago Electrics, I know that it's Harbor Freight, but like I said, probably that's the only use that I'm gonna do to it in this year. Probably I'm not gonna need it no more, but you never know. Maybe I have some other project where I can use this tool. So before I start messing with the blade, because I'm gonna put it in the box, I disconnect the tool, make sure that you work safely around these tools. You just twist it to the right to unlock it and remove the blade. That's the only thing you have to do. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this episode, and if you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'm gonna be happy to help. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.